Your Japanese car is hiding secret features no one told you about. Buried in menus, locked behind button sequences, tucked in settings most owners never touch, these are 10 functions that boost comfort, add security, reveal diagnostics, and kill daily frustrations. From key fob tricks to dealer-locked capabilities, owners find these years later on forums and Reddit, starting with one simple sequence that drops your cabin temperature before you even open the door. Number 1. The key fob cabin cooling trick, your secret weapon against summer heat. Most drivers have no idea their Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, Nissan, or Lexus can drop the cabin temperature by 8 to 12 degrees before you even open the door. Here is how it works. With the car locked and the body control module awake, press the unlock button on your key fob once, then quickly press and hold it a second time for about 1.5 to 2 seconds. Suddenly all the windows roll down and, on some models, even the sunroof cracks open. Owners on forums and Reddit rave about how this shaves minutes off the misery of a hot car, especially when you are juggling groceries or wrangling kids. Timing is everything. Hold too short and nothing happens. Hold too long and you might trigger a different command. If your car's rain sensor detects moisture or the fob battery is weak, the trick will not work. Some trims or regions have it disabled by default, but when it is active, this feature feels like a magic button for instant comfort. And that is only the surface. Wait until you see what is buried in the menus next. For more hidden features, reliability tips, and costly mistakes to avoid, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. In second place, hidden diagnostic menus turn your Japanese car into a rolling data center, no scan tool required. Tucked away behind a series of button combos on the climate panel, infotainment, or instrument cluster, these secret screens reveal live sensor data straight from the car's brain. On a Mazda CX-5, for example, a long press on the system version label unlocks a read-only dashboard showing battery voltage, transmission temperatures, and even G-sensor outputs. Toyota, Subaru, Honda, Nissan, and Lexus each have their own button sequences, like trip button taps, info button holds, or temperature up-down patterns that pull up real-time stats such as refrigerant pressure, interior temperatures, or Starlink telematic status. These menus mirror what the dealer's scan tool sees, letting you check battery health or catch a failing sensor before it becomes a wallet buster. Owners in forums and Reddit threads swear by these tricks for pre-purchase checks or quick troubleshooting, but a word of caution, stick to the read-only pages. Calibration and actuator test options are usually locked out, and poking around there can risk warranty headaches. For the safest DIY insight, follow the community guides. Use these menus for diagnosis only, and always double-check your model's exact sequence. For more owner-level secrets, reliability hacks, and the next layer of security tricks, Japanese Motor Vault is your go-to goldmine. Third on our list, Subaru's secret PIN code access is the ultimate trick for outdoor types and anyone who hates carrying keys on a hike or beach trip. Here is how it works. On every 2016 to 2023 Outback, Legacy, Forester, and even the WRX, you can set a custom 4-digit PIN right in the infotainment menu under Settings, Door Key, PIN Code Access. Lock the car, stash the fob inside, and when you get back, just tap your code using the door button. No key, no problem. Owners on Subaru forums swear by this for camping, paddleboarding, or just as a backup when the fob battery dies. There is even a hidden sport tweak on the WRX, where a pin unlocks a sharper throttle map for a quick blast. If you forget your code, only the dealer can reset it with a diagnostic tool, so pick something memorable. Availability can depend on trim and market, but when set up, it is a convenience and security game changer almost nobody uses. For more hidden features, reliability hacks, and costly mistakes to avoid, Japanese Motor Vault is your goldmine. Number 4. Key-linked seat and mirror memory is the comfort hack almost nobody sets up, yet it is a game changer for families or anyone who shares their ride. On select Toyota and Lexus models from 2020 onward, the car actually remembers your seat, steering wheel, and mirror positions based on the smart key you use. Grab your own fob and unlock the car. Like magic, the seat glides to your perfect spot. The mirrors tilt just right, and even the steering wheel slides into place. Each fob can store its own settings in the car's memory chip, so no more fighting over seat controls or squinting at the wrong mirror angle. Here is the kicker. Pressing the memory button 5 times resets all profiles. That trick shows up on enthusiast forums and Club Lexus threads, but it is buried in the manuals. If your fob battery is weak, the recall might not trigger, so keep those CR232 batteries fresh. Not every trim or year gets this feature, so look for models with the driver memory package. For everyday convenience, it is hard to beat, but the next secret takes personalization even further. For more hidden features, reliability tips, and owner hacks, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. Number 5. Walk away. Locking and hidden security tweaks are the silent guardians most drivers never fine-tune, yet they can save you from lockout headaches and embarrassing beeps in a quiet neighborhood. On models like the Nissan Rogue, you can actually dial in how sensitive the proximity lock is and pick high, medium, or low right from the Nissan Connect app or the dealer menu. Toyota and Lexus take it further with a secret silent lock mode buried in the service menu or Lexus Inform that lets you lock up without a single chirp. For parents, Honda and Subaru offer a hidden delay set anywhere from 1 to 5 seconds to make sure kids have time to hop out before the doors seal. There is even a triple press valet mode on some Nissans to temporarily disable auto lock when handing off your keys. Owners on forums are quick to warn. An aggressive lock timer can strand you if you forget your fob inside, so tweak these settings for your daily routine. Some changes require a quick dealer visit, but others are just a few button presses away. For more owner-level hacks, reliability tips, and the next layer of hidden drive modes, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. Hidden drive modes and shifter tricks unlock extra power for those willing to experiment. On the Subaru WRX STI, a launch control sequence, pressing Sport, then holding both brake and gas for 2 seconds delivers maximum torque for a drag strip start. Toyota's GR Sport models reveal a sharper Sport Plus mode with a double tap, changing shift points and throttle response. These secret settings, often discussed in forums and enthusiast videos, adjust shift maps and throttle, sometimes even suspension, offering a taste of track day engineering. But there's a catch. Using these undocumented modes on public roads can void your warranty if damage is detected. Manufacturers warn they are for track use only, and dealers may check logs for abuse. Always stick to safe environments and consult community guides before trying these hidden features. Number 7. Dealer-locked and software-disabled features are the hidden paywalls that frustrate even seasoned owners. Imagine buying a Toyota RAV4 LE and discovering the remote start button is already on your key fob, but pressing it does nothing until you pay the dealer about $250 for a quick software flick tied to your VIN. The hardware sits there, fully installed, just waiting for an official unlock. Same story for power-fold mirrors on a Nissan Altima S or adaptive cruise on lower trim Hondas. The parts are built in, but the function is grayed out in your menu until a dealer or factory software update flips the switch. Owners on forums and Reddit call this the pay-to-play trap. It is a hot topic. Some even share tables of which features are locked by brand, model, and year. The upside is that dealer activation keeps your warranty intact and avoids the risks of third-party hacks, but the cost adds up fast. Regional rules can block certain features entirely, so what works in the US might be off-limits in Europe or Canada. If you want to know what is actually buried in your car software, the only way to be sure is to ask the dealer or dig through owner communities. For more buried features, reliability hacks, and the next layer of subscription confusion, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. 8th place, remote start features are a minefield of confusion, and most owners don't realize what their key fob or app can and can't actually do. On models like the Honda Accord, a quick fob sequence, unlock then hold start, fires up the engine. But here's the catch. If you use the Honda Link app, you get a free 10-day trial, then it's pay to play. Toyota and Nissan offer similar trials, ranging from 1 week to a month, before demanding a subscription for unlimited starts. But even with the fob, there is a hidden limit. After 3 to 5 remote starts in a row, the fob slips into sleep mode to save battery, forcing you to resync before it will work again. Forget to check your battery or leave a door ajar, and the system aborts before the engine even cranks. Owners on forums constantly complain about trial periods expiring or daily start caps that leave them stranded on cold mornings. Before you shell out for a subscription, test your fob, watch for battery warnings, and know that safety cutoffs are baked in. These quirks trip up even seasoned drivers, but that is not even the most misunderstood feature. Wait until you see what else is hiding in your key fob settings. For more hidden features, reliability hacks, and costly mistakes to avoid, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. Number 9. Key fob sleep and storage modes are the silent battery savers almost nobody talks about, yet they can spare you a dead remote and a panic attack in a parking lot. Here is how it works. If you stash your spare fob in a drawer or glove box, most Japanese brands, Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, Subaru, Nissan, put the remote into a deep sleep after 30 to 90 days of no use. That means the buttons stop working, the car will not unlock, and you might think your fob is toast. It is just napping to save battery. On a Mazda MX-5, for example, the spare fob goes dormant after 60 days. Wake it up by pressing and holding the lock button for 2 seconds. Toyota and Lexus set the timer at 30 days, so just press any button for 1 second and you are back in business. Nissan uses the start button on the fob, while Subaru wakes with a quick unlock press. Owners who figured this out on forums report their CR23-2 batteries lasting 7 to 10 years. No joke. Forget this trick, and you might waste money on a new battery or a dealer visit for nothing. It is a tiny tweak, but it can save you from frustration and extend the life of every backup key you own. For more of these hidden fixes, reliability tips, and owner-level hacks, Japanese Motor Vault is your gold mine. Hidden settings quietly shape the driving experience. On Toyota models, holding info and power together reveals a menu to set the courtesy light fade. Choose 2 seconds for a quick exit or up to 6 seconds for extra visibility. Nissan Altima offers a dealer-set unlock mode, letting the fob open just the driver's door or every door. That small tweak can change daily routines. Mazda drivers can lock Bluetooth audio as the main source. Navigate to Home, Settings, Audio, then press Enter 3 times so USB interruptions do not cut off music. These features often hide in owner menus, or they may require a dealer visit. Availability varies by trim, but each one adds convenience. Across all these hidden features, one thing is clear. Japanese cars are packed with untapped potential that most owners never touch. The real advantage goes to drivers who dig deeper, experiment, and share what they find. Your car is not just reliable, it is smarter than you think. Want more secrets? Subscribe to Japanese Motor Vault.